Welcome back to another tutorial, everyone. This is Apmedia. So today I'll be showing you how you can export multiple files at once. All right, I'll be showing you how you can export multiple files at once. Now you can see I have four different windows opened. Now we have this woman, we have this baby, and we have this man. Then we have a full design here. So I'm going to show you how you can export all of them at once. Okay. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, this is AP Media. Kindly subscribe to this channel because on this channel I teach graphic design, I teach photo editing, I teach everything regarding design using Adobe Photoshop. All right. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, if you have any comment, any observation whatsoever, you can drop it in the comment section. All right. So let's get started. Now you can see that I have these multiple images open here. So the first thing we are going to do is to head over to our file. Okay, so just come up here and click on file, then come down to now a quick disclaimer. If this particular tutorial now, or this particular thing I'm about to show you, only works for Photoshop CCs. Okay, Photoshop CC20, CC19, CC15, 18, CC means Creative Cloud, right? Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. So the CC versions, that is the latest versions. This particular tutorial works for them. So in case you are using CS4, CS2, or CS6, what I'm doing right now may not work for you. Okay, for me, I'm currently using Photoshop 2021, Photoshop CC 2021. So that is the current one that I'm using in this tutorial. All right, so let's continue. So you come down to script. Okay, so under your script, look for image processor. Okay, image processor. Now click on image processor. Okay, when you click on image processor, you're going to have this particular dialog box come up. Now select use open images. Okay, check this one. So because I've done this before, that's why this one is automatically selected for me. If you have not done this one before, this one may be selected. So click on use open images. That is all the images that are opened here. All right, all of them that are open here. Then you have save in the same location. We don't know the location, so click on this particular one. Select folder. So you can select a folder, a particular folder where you want to send. For me, I have a folder that I'm currently on is used as Dell, desktop, and images. So under desktop, I have a folder called IMGS. So that is the folder that this is going to save for me now. All right. Then you can select the quality of image that you want to save. Now we have different options here. We have save as JPEG. In case you want to save this as a JPEG file, or you want to save as a PSD file, or you want to save as TIFF file. All right, you can save all of them at once. Okay, you can save all of them at once. But for this tutorial, let's just save it as JPEG. So I'm going to select JPEG. I'm going to select that. Then resize to fit. No. So I think we are done from here. So just click on run. Right, click on run and wait for it to open all the windows. Right, wait for it to open all of them. For me, I have just 4, and you can see this is a full design. This one is a full PSD design. Look at the layers here. All right, look at all the layers in this particular design. Let me turn some of them off. All right, you can see that it's reflecting. So this particular tutorial, right, it works for people. Maybe you are editing pictures, you have multiple pictures to edit, or you have done different designs in different windows, and you don't want to start exporting one after the other. All right, so we have exported. Now let's go to, okay, so we have exported. Now let's go and look, let's go and check. So let me go to my home screen now. Look at that folder, IMGS. All right, this is the folder IMGS, and we have the folder. Now these are the images that were in the folder before. Okay, it has created another folder for me called JPEG, all right, JPEG. So when I open this new folder now, I'm going to see all of them. So these are all the 4 images that I just exported. All right, these are the 4 images I just exported. Okay, yeah, so this is going to bring me to the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. All right, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first that will get the notification. All right, so till I come your way again, I remain Apmedia. Bye for now.